Hello, and a very warm welcome here from Frankfurt, from the middle of Germany, from Leonardo Live, SAP's Global Business Conference. We have around 1,600 people here learning more about the Internet of Things and the Leonardo portfolio from SAP. I'm Thomas Leonhardi, Global Anchor, SAP TV, and we have a lot of customers here sharing their stories, what they do with the digital transformation and what the business value is all about this digital transformation. And I'm very happy to have one of these customers here. It's Marty Groover from Caterpillar. He's operational technology leader. Marty, Caterpillar is known for this big machinery, but also for smaller construction and building machinery. So what does the company has to do with big data?
Well, one of the things that we need to do is get more retail. I think you can see the recent events with Amazon and other retail markets. If you're not leaning that way, you're probably going to find yourself in a situation. And consumers, we're all consumers. We expect a certain customer experience. And so we know we've got to improve our customer experience, and we're going to use this data to improve that, but also drive productivity into our factories and improve our bottom line, but also gain market share by being more competitive with our other competitors. We have a very competitive market out there in smaller machinery products.
So your customers basically expect, like they go to Amazon, they order like an excavator they need? Is that the future?
At some point it is, because really finance online, be able to order it and have it come straight to their house and be able to know where is it in the shipping process, transportation. That's our expectation in our personal life, and that's the expectation that's starting to happen out there in the commercial world.
You're a co-innovation partner of SAP, and you worked on different projects. One is the Live Factory. What does that mean, Live Factory?
Well, when we were developing our retail strategy, we understood that we needed to have data out of our factory, but we also needed to improve the performance. So we built this umbrella named Live Factory. We need live data to solve problems in the moment. It improves not only the empowerment of our people, but the results of our business. But at the end of the day, it creates that digital thread to our customers also. So there's a multifaceted thing, and Live Factory is a key component of our overall retail digital strategy.
So also a role in that game plays predictive maintenance. We heard that here from another customer example, Trenitalia. So they use it for maintenance of their trains, which provide a better experience for the customer. How is it with Caterpillar, predictive maintenance?
So in our one factory in Athens, Georgia, we have a machine that's a constrained asset, and it's for our 8-ton excavators. And if that machine goes down, we don't have another machine to replace it, and we lose production. So we knew we needed to do something to see failures before they happen. So we took sensor data off of the spindles, speed, temp, loading, things like that, put it into the predictive maintenance tool, and then added the enterprise plant maintenance data out of the SAP system that we use to do our reactive and planned maintenance. By merging the sensor data and creating data models with a data scientist, by seeing all those different signals together, we can see anomalies before they happen. We actually detected 4 events that matched up with maintenance events from EPM, so we know that this product's going to really save us. We recently had a week's downtime of this, and it really caused havoc in our manufacturing by not being able to make that model and having our sequence. It just throws a whole problem into your manufacturing when you start building out a sequence.
So basically this digital transformation saves you money. That's the bottom line.
Improves our quality, saves us money, but also creates that, we need to know what happened to our machines as they go through the manufacturing process to improve perfect quality, but also deal with warranty. And again, at the end of the day, it's about improving that customer experience, giving them a better product.
You talked here about DMI, Digital Manufacturing Insights. That's a solution that will become a common product, which you co-innovated with SAP.
So right. We've been working with SAP for about 2 years now developing it. We had a factory that was really leveraging the ERP system really well, codifying lean in their system. So we're mimicking what they were doing in spreadsheets and Access databases now using DMI, taking the live data right out of the system and creating a common operating environment so everything gets measured the same. We'll be able to go in there in one system and look at all of our factories and see that live production as it happens every day, solve problems in the moment instead of going back later and trying to fix them. It's very hard to do manufacturing 2 days later. It's like a cold case file. So we're really excited about bringing that online, and having it in the cloud, I think, gives us a lot more flexibility to develop things as we go. And SAP, we're going to continue to work with SAP over the quarters and add new lean measurements, codifying the specific processes for quality, velocity, cost, safety, all those things that you've got to do in manufacturing, be in one system.
We learned here at the Leonardo Live event that SAP Leonardo is basically the umbrella for things like Internet of Things solutions, but also blockchain and machine learning, big data and analytics. Machine learning, that's kind of a buzzword nowadays.
It is.
Yeah, how does it work at Caterpillar? How do you use it?
Well, what we see is there's things that happens over manufacturing over the whole event that you can't really see, but the machine learning will be able to pick those events out and put together, something's happening out of the normal here, and that's what we want to be able to see, because most people cannot look over the whole manufacturing process and know that we have a problem. So we're hoping by building this data foundation that the machine learning will help us start seeing events and understanding anomalies and help us solve problems.
So when you look in the future, you just told me that you're just at a starting point. What will you do at Caterpillar to go to the digital transformation more?
Well, first, I don't like to use digital transformation. It's business transformation. I'm going to improve my business using these tools. But I want to build out the one factory and kind of get a lot of these concepts in place, get the value measurements out of them to justify investment. So we want to monetize these tools and be able to replicate in the rest of our factories and eventually have all these tools in every one of our factories so that it provides that rich data up and that digital thread to do e-commerce that we need to be able to do.
Marty Groover from Caterpillar, Operational Technology Leader. That was a very interesting talk. Thank you very much. This was a real customer example how Caterpillar uses Internet of Things solutions and is co-innovating with SAP. I'm Thomas Leonhardi, SAP TV Global Anchor, and we're reporting here from Leonardo Live, the global customer event from SAP here in Frankfurt, Germany. Thank you very much for watching.